Happy Haitian Independence Day. We are going to make some pumpkin scratch soup. We have some meat ready for you guys and some vegetables ready of your choice, and also yam, something that Haitian people use. We have the water ready to peel and put everything in. We have cabbage, turnip, they call it nave in Haitian. Then we boil the squash or pumpkin. We got everything ready to go, as you guys can see. Let's begin. So we boil the pumpkin until it gets really soft. Here it goes, guys. So what we did, we blend the pumpkin and we strain it and make it into like a kind of like a soup. So, and then we add every ingredients that I showed you guys into the pot. Now that everything has been added, we're gonna let it boil until it simmer down, and you guys will see the difference when it's done compared to now, and how you know when it's ready. Now the soup is ready. You can see how it turns a little thicker and juicier, and everything kind of come into soup. You can see everything. See, everything looks nice and ready to eat. Alright, so enjoy, guys. Have a happy New Year and happy Haitian Independence Day. Love you guys. Bye. Enjoy. See you in my next one. Alright, if you like what you see and you enjoy it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up by liking this video, and if you're new here, you haven't smashed the subscribe button, make sure you do that if you like what you see. And thank you guys for watching. Have a blessed one.